Okay, so we on last time, just so you know, we started the topic of so the big topic is around the year, and last time we started Rosh Hashanah, and we say about symbolic foods, and we explain as a obligation of the shofar, and the next topic, obligation to Daven Mussaf, right? So actually today started Rosh Chodesh, right? I think for everybody. So Tuesday and Wednesday we have 2 days of Rosh Chodesh. So that's very applicable. On Rosh Chodesh we pray special Musaf for Rosh Chodesh. There is a debate among the poskim whether a woman is obligated to daven Musaf on Shabbos, Rosh Chodesh, and Yom Tov. However, on the days of Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur, all would agree that she is obligated. This is because these prayers are asking for mercy from Hashem during these times. This is something that applies to women just as much to men. So okay, so even though on other days like Rosh Chodesh, it's like not strictly necessary for a woman to pray Musaf because it's a time-bound mitzvah, right? We said she's not obligated, but Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur is very different. Why? Because that's when we ask for mercy, we ask for a life of our lives of our family, and Parnasa and all the other things, right? So that's actually for your benefit. Okay, continue. Although it is praiseworthy to daven in a shul with a minyan, if a woman is unable to, she should be sure to daven at home. So she cannot go; she has to take care of the kids, and that's what we do. Especially from the recent years, like 3 years ago when they had Corona, they had to keep the distance. So not women's section usually smaller than the men's section, and when I davened, like only like they went to by seniority, like who were there before and who, like it was not so simple. Like many women wanted to get in, but because of the government restriction, they're not very good get in. So many women had to pray at home. Very interesting. So next, okay, on other days. So if woman has time, of course, she should pray Musaf, and plus, especially on these days, like Rosh Chodesh is a woman's holiday, right? Okay, but Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur for sure.